You are too much.
Yes, you are too much too, driver. Well done, well done, well done. Yes, so that's driver of Mercy Divine Properties. They are all trying. Everybody is trying. We just came to another new Banana Island layout owned by Mercy Divine Properties. Okay, and we are here at one of our properties. Okay, meet the client. All right.
Okay, no mind all these bush. People don't buy and finish.
How for you? That's the way we look for it. That means like host now.
You dey hear? People don't buy and finish. No, I purposely keep quiet so that you go hear them by yourself. People don't buy and finish. You dey hear? So quickly come Madam Peck on 0903429651 to collect your own before you go day late. You understand? Madam Peck today here. And for New Banana Island, we dey like this, located off Odili Road in Port-Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. So call Madam Peku to get your own plot for 7 million naira per plot is 465 square meters. So quickly call me on 0903429651 to get your own plot of New Banana Island. A plot is 7 million naira, and this particular New Banana Island is just located off Odili Road in Port-Harcourt, Rivers State. And Madam Peku dey here, they wait for you. All right, take a look by yourself. Yeah, this is one of our layouts owned by Mercy Divine Properties. Okay.